In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Facebook ads not delivering problem, 5 minutes. If your Facebook ads aren't delivering, the fastest way to diagnose the issue is right inside Ads Manager. Start by searching for Facebook Ads Manager in your browser and open the official page. On that page, click Go to Ads Manager. If you're prompted to sign in, simply log into your account and you'll be taken into the dashboard. Once you're in, head to the campaigns view so you can see all your campaigns in one place. Here's where the key check happens. Look for the delivery column. This column shows the live status across your campaigns, ad sets, and individual ads, so you can instantly see what's running and what isn't. If you don't see it, scroll horizontally or adjust your columns until delivery is visible. Now, let's interpret what you see. If the delivery status says pending, that typically means one of three things. The item is still a draft and hasn't been published, it's under review by Facebook's systems, or it's scheduled to start at a later time. Pending isn't an error, it just indicates the ad isn't eligible to serve yet. If it's under review, it usually resolves on its own. If it's scheduled, it will start delivering once the start time arrives. And if you realize something is still a draft, make sure it's fully set up and published so it can move forward. If the status shows off, the item is not serving. This can happen if someone manually paused the campaign ad set or ad, or if an automated rule turned it off based on conditions you set earlier, such as budget, frequency, or performance thresholds. Off doesn't mean broken, it means paused. In many cases, hovering over the status will tell you why it's off or which rule paused it, so you can confirm whether that behavior is expected. As a best practice, always check the delivery column first whenever you notice spend has stopped or impressions have dropped. It's the quickest snapshot to determine whether you're waiting on approval, you've scheduled a later start, or something has been intentionally paused, manually or by automation. From there, you can make informed decisions about timing, publishing, or reviewing your rules without guesswork. That's it. Open Ads Manager, go to the campaigns dashboard, and read the delivery column to pinpoint why your ads aren't delivering. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.